Math YouTube channel. Now we are going to see chapter 3 exercise 3.1 problems. Question number 1, first subdivision. So we want to expand this one using standard formula, right? So that is the question here is 2x plus 7y the whole square. So it is in the form a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square. The expansion of a plus b the whole square is a square plus b 2ab plus b square. Okay, here what is a? A here is 2x and b here is 7y. So which implies 2x plus 7y the whole square equal to 2x the whole square plus 2 into a into b. Here the a is 2x and b is 7y plus the b square is 7y the whole square. So which is equal to, we want to square this 2 as well as this x, right? So 4x square. Then first here we want to multiply the numbers here. 2 into 2 4, then 4 into 7 28, then variable xy plus 7 square, then y square, which is what? 49y square. That's all. Next, the second subdivision. The first question is, which is in the fraction form, 1 by 2x plus 2 by 3y the whole square, right? So these also can be expanded in the form a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. So using a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square expansion. Okay. The reason we are writing that. Here 1 square is 1, the denominator 2, that is 2 square is 1, that is x by 4. 1 into x is x by 4, and here x is also we want to square it, so x square by 4. Then if you cancel this 2, what will be remaining? This is the numerator part, so plus 2xy by 3, that is 2 by 3 xy. Then that plus 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. So 4y square by 9. This is the expansion of this 1 by 2x plus 2 by 3y the whole square. Our next question is 3x plus 1 by 2 denominator x, right? 1 by 2x the whole square. So which can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So what we shall do here is we can cancel 2 here, then xx. And here we want to expand this one, that is 3 square x square, which is what? 9x square. Then these two we have cancelled. So what is left in the numerator part? Only 3. So plus 3, then plus 1 square is 1 and 2x square is 4x square. This is what the solution for this first subdivision. Next. Second subdivision, which is what? 3x square y plus 5z the whole square. Okay. And this can be used expanded in the form a plus b the whole square. Okay, this is what a. So a square plus 2 into a into b, then plus b square. So what? A equal to 3x square y, b equal to 5z. So which can be squared here, that is 9x power 4y square. Then multiply the number here, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30 plus 30x square yz, then plus 25z square. The next one, question number 3, second subdivision, which is in the fraction form. That is 1 by 2x minus 3 by 2y. This x and y is for the numerator part only. the whole square. That is a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square. So which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So what we can write here, x square by 4. Here 2 will get cancelled. So number alone you first multiply 3 into 1 3. So minus 3, numerator part xy is that by 2, that is 3 by 2 xy, then plus 9 by 4 y square, right? Using a minus b the whole square formula, using a minus b the whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, where a equal to 1 by 2x, b equal to 3 by 2y. Just for understanding, I am writing all this. If you understand, then no need to write all this. Only this expansion alone enough. The next question is question number 4. Question number 4. We will use the first subdivision, which is what? X plus 3 into x plus 5. Right. So using the expansion, we are going to solve this one. So let us write the formula here. X plus a into x plus b. What is it? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Same like that we want to use here. X plus 3 into x plus 5 equals x square plus 3 plus 5 into x plus 3 into 5. So which is equal to x square plus 8x plus 15. Right? Next, fourth one, second subdivision, which is what? X plus 3 into x minus 5. So the formula for that one is x plus a into x minus b. X plus a into x minus b. So which is what? X square plus a minus b into x minus ab. Right? Okay. So what we can do here is, excuse me, x plus 3 into x minus 5 equals x square plus 3 minus 5 into x minus 3 into 5. So which is equal to x square. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So minus into plus minus. So minus 2x minus 15. Next, the next question is third subdivision, which is what? X plus 7, x plus 7, sorry, x minus 7, x minus 7 into x plus 9. So this is the formula of x minus a into x plus b. So which is equal to x square minus a minus b into x minus ab. This is the formula of x minus a into x plus b equal to x square minus a minus b into x minus ab. Okay. So what we can write here is x minus 7 into x plus 9 equal to x square minus a here is 7 and b here is 9 into x minus 7 into 9. So which is equal to x square. Here 7 minus 9 is minus 2. Minus 2 into minus here is minus 2 into minus is plus. So plus 2x minus 63. The next one is question number 4, fourth subdivision. So which is what? X minus 2y into x minus 3y. This is in the form x minus a into x minus b, which is equal to x square minus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay. So this can be written as x minus 2y into x minus 3y equals x square minus a, that is a here is 2y and b here is 3y into x plus b. So which is equal to x square 2 plus 3 is 5 minus 5xy. Here x already there. Then plus 2 3s are 6 y square. Right? Then question number 5. Question number 5 is x minus 2y minus z the whole square. Right? Okay. So then this is the expansion of a minus b minus c the whole square, but we are using a plus b plus c the whole square, that one same formula. Okay, here this by using a plus b plus c the whole square, which is what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. Here a equal to x, b equal to minus 2y, c equal to minus z. So which implies a minus 2 x minus 2y minus z the whole square equal to, that is x square plus of minus 2y square plus of minus z square plus 2 bracket ab is x into, that is x into 2 x into minus 2y plus bracket minus 2y into minus z plus minus z into x. So which can be written as x square. If we square this one, this negative will become positive. So 2 square is 4 and y square, if you square it, so it will become 4 plus 4y square, then plus z square, because minus square means it will become plus. Then multiply with this one. Plus 2 first we will write this one. Minus 2xy, minus into minus becomes plus, plus into plus is plus 2yz, then here minus zx. So which is equal to x square plus 4y square plus z square, multiply with 2 all this, that is so which is what? Minus 4xy plus 4yz minus 2zx. This is what the solution of this first one. Then next question. Next question number 6, second one. So the question is 2 by 3x minus 3 by 2x minus 1 the whole square. So you must be very careful writing the question here. So this is also in the form a plus b plus c the whole square, that is a plus b plus c the whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay. What is here? Here a equals, that is a equals 2x by 3, b equals minus 3 by 2x, c equals minus 1. Okay. So 2x by 3 minus 3 by 2x minus 1 the whole square equal to a square plus b square is minus 3 by 2, that is b square plus c square plus 2 into a into b plus 2 bc plus 2 ca. Okay. Here what we can do, multiply this one, that is 2 square x square, which is what? 4x square by 9, that is 4 by 9 x square. Here plus, so here it is negative, but square here negative, if we square it will become plus. So which is equal to 9 by 4 x square, and this also becomes minus, if we square that one it will become plus. Then here 2x will get cancelled, 3 will get cancelled, so 1 here, so plus into minus, minus 2 into 1 is 2 here. So the next one 2 will get cancelled, so what will be left? Minus into minus will become plus, 3 into 1, 2 will get cancelled, then minus into minus will become plus, so 3 into 1 is 3, so plus 3 by x. Then there is no place to cancel here, so just multiply this sign first. Plus into minus is minus. 2 2s are 4, then 4x by 3, that is 4 by 3x. Okay, these two numbers, next step if you write here, 4 by 9 x square plus 9 by 4 denominator, that is x square, plus 1 minus 2 will become minus 1, then plus 3 by x minus 4x, that is 4 by 3x. Right, this is what the solution. For watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.